When I'm launching an online course, one of the things that I like to sit down and do before I ever launch is think about how can I increase my bottom line in revenue. Now, as a coach, a consultant, and a course creator, one of the things that so many of us focus on is just selling our course. But we don't think about how we can provide additional products that might complement what it is that we're offering within our main course. So today, I want to walk you through how you can increase your bottom line in your business during one of your live launches, your evergreen launches, or just your ongoing sales. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, consultants, and course creators to build a freedom-bound business, sharing their expertise and creating automation with their digital products and so much more. Now, before we dive into today's topic, I want you to check out our 4-phase framework that will walk you through how you can get started with launching your course, your membership, or your coaching program. Whether you're experienced in coaching or consulting or course creation, or maybe you're just new, this will walk you through your pre-launch, your pre-launch, your actual launch phase, and then telling you what to do within your post phase so that you can set yourself up for success. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up and also leave a comment below and subscribe so that you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos. Okay, so let's talk about increasing your bottom line in your business when it comes to launching or even just sharing your digital products and selling them online. I see a lot of people miss out on opportunities where they can increase their bottom line. One, because a lot of us are probably scared. We don't know how to do it or how it's going to be perceived by our customers. And another reason might be because we just don't know what to include in these areas or where we can actually increase our bottom line. So after working with thousands of female coaches and consultants and course creators, I noticed the same thing. So I'm going to point this out today, hoping that you can walk away and implement this into your business. So the first area where you can increase your bottom line, whether in a launch or just ongoing sales, is an order bump. An order bump is something that you can provide whenever someone is checking out, and it allows them to see another product that will also complement what it is that they're buying. I use Kajabi for my online courses and coaching programs just because it is an all-in-one platform that makes it extremely easy for me to keep everything in-house and run my business. So order bumps, also known as one-time offers, those are going to be on your checkouts. Depending on what platform you're using, it might be called something different. Another area where you can increase your bottom line is by having upsells in your business. So upsell opportunities are something that appear after someone has checked out. They already trust you, they like you, they're buying from you, and now you're going to present something that might be a higher price that also complements what they're doing. So this is where I like to find things like bundles or maybe another course or a membership that kind of complements what it is they're learning, but also can be an additional resource for them so that they can get better results. So for example, with my upsells, whenever I'm selling some of our sales funnel templates that we create for Kajabi platforms, our upsell is to sell an actual fully designed for you portal that can work for your courses, your membership, or your coaching program. This allows my clients to keep everything consistent in terms of branding and design, and that also allows them to not have to spend so much time building this stuff out on their own, and they can quickly just plug this in and start editing to their colors and to their brand and whatnot. Now, the third thing is cross-sell opportunities within your portal. So I have found that on the sidebar of my courses and my coaching programs and my memberships, it's a great place for me to advertise a product that is right in my customer's face. So if I have a product that is going to complement what they're already doing within this course, well then this is where I'm going to showcase this so that they can make a decision and see if it's the right fit for them. So for example, I have a sales funnel kit that we provide. It's done for you or do it yourself for Kajabi templates. Now we also create webinar slides, Canva lead magnet templates to help them to promote their actual lead magnets and their funnels. And so this is all located on our sidebar to help people to see if this product can also help and assist them along the way. So it's a great way for us to create a cross-sell opportunity opportunity. Now, the next opportunity where you can actually increase your bottom line is by having a Tripwire page. So after someone opts into a lead magnet, and maybe you're still in the process of creating your course or your coaching program, but this allows you to start generating some revenue into your business and also creating something like a mini product that is going to eventually lead to your signature product. So for example, in our digital launch framework, our next page that we have is a digital launch playbook where I share with you exactly how you can implement everything I'm teaching you within the actual lead magnet. It walks you through step by step on what to do, how to do it, and so much more. This thing is like 75 pages, and it just walks you through how to actually launch in no time. And so if you want to have something that complements your lead magnet, I highly recommend you do and create it as a Tripwire. You can price this somewhere between $9 to $47, and this is a great way for you to increase your bottom line and start generating sales in other areas outside of just your course. All right, let's talk about the thank you page. A lot of people look at their thank you page as, here's what to do next, take it from here, or go here, access your portal, access your course, access your digital product. I like to use my thank you page as a way for me to also introduce something else that will complement. I look at the thank you page as an opportunity in my products, and I also guide my customers on what to do next. And after I have properly informed them, I guide them on how to take the next steps. I list out some products that they might not have taken action on. Sometimes it's my order bump product. Sometimes it's the upsell product, and sometimes it's the things that I include in the cross-selling opportunity in the actual portal. I'll go ahead and list them out there because you might not buy it right then and there, but as you see it more often, it makes you realize, hey, you know what? I am spending a lot of time trying to create my own social media to promote my funnels. I am wasting a ton of time creating my webinars from scratch, or I'm finding that as I work through this, I need additional help. So I'm gonna go ahead and opt in for the done for you versus the do it yourself. This is a great way for you to consistently just inform your customers that I got your back. I have other things that can help you along the way so that you get the best success. I never feel bad about putting my products in front of my customers because what I do is I create products that actually move my customers forward. I never feel bad when I'm helping my customers to succeed. When my customers come back and they tell me, hey, Brittany, those webinar slides saved me. I was able to create my webinar in 1 hour and I felt so confident and I got sales from my webinar. I was able to create a challenge or a sales funnel or a lead magnet and I saw results. That lights me up and that allows me to keep doing what I'm doing and encouraging more people to check out those products because there is nothing like helping your customers get results and see transformation. So never feel like, ugh, icky because I'm sharing my products that I know can help my customers get results. Okay, last but not least, limited opportunities is a really great way for you to increase your bottom line. Maybe you have a limited time coaching program, or you have a limited time membership, or a limited time one-to-one opportunity. This is a great way for you to promote this. You can promote it through your order bump. You can promote it through an upsell. You can promote this through cross promotion within your actual portals. This is where you definitely want to showcase this through whatever it may be to get it in front of your customers. It could even be email, but limited opportunities help you to increase your bottom line. Now, limited opportunities might be where you can only help 5 people, or you can only help 10 people, and you don't have many spaces available, but it allows the customers who do need to take action and have additional help get those services or that product so that they can get the results that they're looking for. I don't look at everyone as a one-size-fits-all. Instead, I try to put things that might help you with where you're at to get you to the place of where you want to go. So I hope that you feel confident and comfortable to increase your bottom line in your upcoming launch, as well as just your ongoing evergreen products that you sell within your business. Don't forget about your order bumps or your cross-sell opportunities or tripwires or thank you pages or those limited opportunities that you have that allows you to share with your customers and take things to the next level. Go ahead and download that 4-phase framework that will help you launch your online business in no time. You can find it below. Also, you can check out Kajabi, where we have a free trial and some of the other amazing resources that we have that are free just for you to help you get started in no time. Hey, Corporate Misfits, thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure you hit subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time on some of our upcoming videos.